Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech, and I know a lot of you love playing Pokemon Go, but let's be honest, walking around for hours to catch Pokemon can be frustrating sometimes. And let's not forget, life gets busy and you don't always have time to go outside and play. But what if I told you that you can spoof your location, teleport anywhere and play Pokemon Go without moving an inch? Imagine chilling on your bed and catching rare Pokemons from across the world. Sounds insane, right? Well, today I've got an insane solution for you, and that is iAnyGo by TensorShare. This tool lets you change your GPS location in seconds so you can play Pokemon Go from anywhere in the world without leaving home. And the best part is no jailbreak required. Just follow my steps, and by the end of this video I'll also tell you how you can download this free for your device. So let's get started. Firstly, let's see how you can connect your device with iAnyGo app. For that, open the iAnyGo app. There you will see several options like change location, single spot movement, multi-spot movement and joystick movement. And there is one more option, that is jump teleport. You can use any of these, but trust me, joystick movement is game changer. I have talked about this in a previous video, so you can check that out if you are interested. Now let's focus on the new feature in the latest update. So as I mentioned before, you will get here various options to connect your device. Choose any one of them. For example, I am going with the change location option. After that, click on enter and follow the instructions to connect your device. If you face any issues, I'll show you how to fix that later in this video. Once you are connected, you will get two options here, general mode and game mode. General mode is for apps like Snapchat, WhatsApp or even pranking your friends. But game mode is specifically made for Pokemon Go, Monster Hunt and similar games. Since we are going to use it with Pokemon Go, we will choose game mode. So after connecting your device, you will see a map and a new Pokeball icon in the top right corner, bit lower side. Click on that and you will see there are four options. First one is Pokemon Locator, which will show you all available Pokemon within your 5 km. Another is Raid Battles, instantly teleport to the raid battles. Another is Poke Gyms and Pokestops, easily access nearby gyms and stops without moving an inch. So firstly, let's check out the Pokemon Locator for now. This feature shows you which Pokemons are nearby. If you are looking for a specific one like Pikachu, Vulpix, you can just look for that in the iAnyGo app directly where they are available, and then click on the Pokemon you want to catch and then click on go. After that, you will get start to modify icon in the purple color in your left hand side. Just click on that and you will teleport there instantly without any issues, and you can catch the Pokemon available there. If there are multiple Pokemons nearby, use the joystick movement to move around and catch them. You can also adjust your speed, like for walk, bike, drive, depending how fast you want to move. And if you want to join a raid battle, just select the options there out of those four, which is second one, and then select the location and click start to modify. After that, you will teleport there instantly without any issues. Another cool feature here is multi-spot movement. If you want to catch different Pokemons in different areas, then you can create the route and start the movement. The app will move for you from one spot to another automatically, and you can use pause button anytime to catch the Pokemon or access the things that are nearby in that area. And I also mentioned in the video that you can teleport anywhere in the world without any issues in just few clicks. And yes, you can teleport anywhere all over the world in just few clicks. For example, Australia or the middle of the oceans to catch the Leviathan. And lastly, if you face any connection issues, click on the Bluetooth icon here at the bottom left list and follow the instructions given there. This should fix most of the problems for you. Now let's see how to download iAnyGo for free in your device. Firstly, go to the official link given in the description and the pinned comment. Then you will get interface like this, as you can see here, and there are multiple options available for Mac, Windows, and if you don't have PC, there are options for iOS and Android individually as well. Just select the device and download and install it like any normal software. After installing it, click on the profile icon at the top right corner in the app and log in or register there. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video helps you to catch rare Pokemons without stepping out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Region of Tech for more awesome contents. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.